Hello, welcome to McBoss Capital live stream here. My name is Michael Chu. Today is Tuesday, May 26, 2026, 8:53 a.m. Mountain Time. Here's Nasdaq at up 1.3%, so very strong start to the day on much higher volume, up 12%. We also have Dow near flat 0.05%, and S&P is up 0.87%, and on higher volume as well. So right now, Nasdaq S&P is definitely leading, doing really well. Let's take a quick look at the index here. I'm going to look at QQQ for the weight for the Nasdaq 100 ETF here. So here we are making a new solid high today. Very strong move. We pull back and now we are making new highs. So the momentum carries on because it was, with the Friday reversal, we weren't sure if this was going to come back down, but it looks like it went the other way, which is a good thing. Let's go to SPY. So SPY also making a new high at this moment, up 0.8%. So looking really good. Again, we see this bounce here off the 10-day. Next, we move to Dow Jones here. Well, Dow Jones is a little bit weaker. It is showing slightly negative for this ETF at this moment. So that is some weakness there because Dow and Russell was leading quite strongly last few days, but now it seems to have. You can see from the RS line here too, it was going up pretty nicely, and then now it's taking a back seat. You know, so not a good thing, but that's what's happening. Usually, I like to see all index moves at the same wavelength, but yeah, today Dow is showing a little bit heated here. You know, Russell is good, 1.7%. This is doing well actually, doing also making new highs. So three of the four index are doing well, except for Dow. So that's where we're at. In terms of stocks on the move here, hold on a second. Let's see. So on the main screen we have MOD. I believe they signed some deal for data center related stuff for cooling. So it jumped quite a bit here, 21%, and I think it's reporting after hours. ESLT has also jumped. Not sure if that one has reported yet, but it's supposed to be today. Maybe it did. VPG doing really well. So that's reshape position. MOGA. Here we are. So all these are industrials that are doing really well, but some of them are obviously related to AI. MTSI, this one in the technology area. Let's take a quick look. Here we go. Maycom Technology Solutions. So here we are. We also had this recent pullback, and that is the trend lately. We look at many stocks over the weekend, and we see the same pattern where stocks bouncing back. And today, if they haven't already made new high today, it looks like a lot of them are making new highs as well. So that's a good sign that the rally is continuing. Let me see what else do we have. CYD, SMTC. That's another chip stock here. The chips continue to lead in most ways. Not every stock are the same, but there's a lot of stocks that are moving. This is another one. Look at this, making a new high this morning. A very strong move here. Who else we have? RBC bearings here again. Industrial UMC, AMKR. Let's see here. SIMO data storage. Let's take a quick look at that one. So here we are, also making new high. Very strong. It did come back from the top here, being quite extended. So but it's still up for the day. We'll see how it goes. Dell is here. This has a huge move on Friday. Looks like it's falling through today. So that also it's very extended. So any time now it could start to move sideways or start to pull back. Next we have Micron. Look at this, also very sharp, bouncing off to new high. So the data storage group is still moving. ASX. Here we are, also making new highs. Look at that gap up, 12.9%. Oops, I was typing the wrong symbol here. I meant to go to Astera Lab. Here we are. We did have a pullback this morning, but it recovered, so that's a good sign after being really extended. So that was A Lab. So yeah, it was a potential buying opportunity this morning as it pulls back. Here's reset, TTMI, ARM Holdings still doing well. Credo, yeah, we talk about MTS, RFIL, ALNT, and MBN. So yeah, overall, we have lots of growth stocks moving, and three of the four index are doing well. We'll see how it closes today. Thank you everyone for watching. Have a good day.